Do you want to download yours or someone else's YouTube video without worrying about malicious websites with weird pop-ups offering to do it? Well, today I'm going to show you a hassle-free way to download any YouTube video. What's up, Nerderd, and welcome back to Rachel Tech. I'm your host, Rachel Nudell, and let's get started. If you want to use a YouTube video to react to or use it for any purpose, really, you can using websites online. Oh, never mind. If I want HD, I need to pay. Or worse, viruses. Well, there is a way you can do it for free without a website. Method 1. Downloading your own videos. If you need a backup of your videos as proof of something you said or to react to, or if you're about to delete it and need a copy, it's actually really easy. In fact, you can do it straight from your studio dashboard without YouTube Premium or anything. We begin in YouTube. From the top right corner of the screen, click on your icon. Select YouTube Studio. From your dashboard, head down to your videos. Select the three vertical dots and click the download button. Your download will now begin. Method 2. Downloading any other video. Before we get to this part of the video, it's worth mentioning a very important disclaimer. Copyright. Never, and I mean never, try to steal someone else's content. There is something called fair use, which is a legal doctrine that says that you can reuse copyright protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the copyright owner. But different countries have different rules, so I can't tell you exactly what the rules are where you live. I will link, however, an article below from Google about fair use on YouTube to help you out. Here in the US, fair use allows you to use other content for education, criticism, and a lot more. Do check out the article I mentioned. It will certainly help. But other than fair use, if you get copyright claimed or striked, please don't blame it on me. I don't want to get sued. Thanks. You must know, though, that music is not the only way to get copyright striked. Actually, the video, pictures in the thumbnail, and more can give you one too. Do your research. Please. Now we can get started. There are so many ways to do this. Like, you can use 5K Player, but some people say it may be a virus and should be avoided. So instead, we are going to use a very well-known and trusted software that you might even already have called VLC Media Player. This software is available for Mac, PC, and Linux. You can download it using the link in the description or at videolan.org on screen now. This software was created in 2001 and has a pretty great reputation as it can play basically any audio or video you throw at it, no matter the file type. This is why VLC Media Player is great if you need to play a video in a format the default video or audio player on your computer can't support. But hashtag not spawn, I just really like it. Once you've installed the software, we can jump into the computer to see how to download the video you would like to download. Begin on the video you'd like to download. Go ahead and copy the link on the top. Now open up from the top left corner of the screen, select Convert/Save. Head on over to the Network tab on the top. Paste the link inside. Click on the arrow next to the Convert/Save and press play. Or just alternate NP. Now, head over to the Tools tab on the top of the screen. Hit codec information. This will bring up this box, but don't worry about all this stuff. All we need is this link over here. Left click and click select all, or just Control A. Now copy the link. Hit close and head back to your browser. Paste the URL into the box. And here you have the video. Click the 3 vertical dots in the bottom right. Hit download. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you like tutorials and technology, it's probably worth subscribing to the channel. I'm open to suggestions, so do leave a comment if you'd like a certain video. I read all of the comments and almost always listen to your suggestions. Visit my website for more tech, linked below. You can watch more of my videos on the end screen coming up. Bye guys, and I will see you next week.